4 taps 8-bit automatic toolsense, pressing cylinder, tools pressing module, guide rail grinding quality, 4 rows of feeding wheels, 6 rows vacuum table, 9 kW spindle, 12 tools, Type 1 ball and scissor. Fully servo model, faster running speed, 12 tools meet the processing of all patterns, meet the different processing diversification and completed at one time. Rapid tool change processing efficiency is 3 to 5 times that of ordinary CNC, intelligent and easy to operate. Freshman can learn it in 1 day, more accurate pressing and lower scrape rate. If you also operate processing cloud, then this is a very good choice.